Okay, in this build, I asked you to remaster the code, which means you're going to find code that exists online and then force it to fit your needs. And so we start with this code right here. Even with all of the glitches and everything, I just Control C and then I go to Arduino and I've wiped it clean and I hit Control V. Now I've got to go through and get rid of all the stuff I don't want. And so I'm just going to go through and get rid of all of these lines with a double click and a delete key. And then I'm going to start looking for glitches and I'm going to go line by line thinking about what this code does. So int pot position tells the computer there's going to be a variable we're going to call pot position, which is the position of the potentiometer. Int sensor pin A0, that is a 0. It means that there's something plugged into A0 and it's a sensor. I'm going to get rid of that space. LED pin equals 13 means that there's an LED plugged into pin 13. Int sensor value means that there's going to be an integer called sensor value. We're just naming our variables. The void setup has 2 backslashes. I want to get rid of that. Pen mode LED pen output says there's an LED and there's an output. I'm going to leave 2 spaces after everywhere I see LED pen. Every single time in class I said every time you see LED pen you need 2 of those. And so sensor value equals analog read sensor pin. That means that the variable sensor value is going to actually read where the potentiometer is at and use that information. I'm going to get rid of that little glitch right there and all those extra spaces. Oops. Digital write LED pen high. I'm going to need something right below that, another LED pen. Delay, sensor value means it's going to wait how long the sensor is going to read. And then I've got a digital write low. Now in class I said every time you see an LED pen you need to copy, paste, and then make it different. So I copy and I paste. See how they're exactly the same? The computer doesn't know what to do. So here in my build I have a red and a blue. And the red is 13, the blue is going to be a 12. Right here I have pen mode LED pen output. I'm going to copy that, I'm going to paste that. Get rid of all those spaces so it looks the same. Except one of these is going to be an R for red and a B for blue. Right here, I'm going to copy this. Except I don't want this one to be high, high. I want it to be high, low, low, high. So I'm going to copy it down here. And then I'm going to come down here, grab this one, and copy it up here. Okay, so now, again, I've got a red and a blue, a red, and a blue. And that's my code. I'm done with this video.